Hello guys, welcome to Placebo to Edu and my name is Vinay Kumar Nayanabhathani. In this module we are going to learn fractions part 2 and I have already discussed the introduction of the fractions, you can see in the icon. And in this we are going to learn comparison, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of fractions. So let's get started. So comparison. First of all we are going to learn comparison. Okay. Comparison means we have to tell whether it is greater than, equal or less than, or we have to say largest of given and smallest of given numbers. This will be useful in practical cases like half kg is greater than 1 by 4th of kg or not. It's very clear that 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. From childhood we are saying that 4 is greater than 2, so we may attempt to write this thing, that is 1 by 4 is greater than 1 by 2, which is false. The main property you have to observe is whenever we are reciprocating the numbers, the sign should be changed. For example, 4 is greater than 2. Whenever we are doing reciprocating, that is 1 by 4 and 1 by 2, the sign in the middle of them should be changed, that is like this. The same rule will be applicable for negative numbers also. For example, 4 is greater than 2, right? Whenever I add minus to both of them, that is minus 4 minus 2, then the symbol which is in the middle will be changed. Understood? These are the results you have to remember throughout your lifetime. These are very important because that is whenever we are reciprocating, we can easily say that this is something, this can be the answer. For these type of problems it's okay. What about, for example, I have given 3 by 4, 4 by 6, 7 by 8. Which of them is the largest or which of them is the smallest? If that is the question, how can we solve them? So comparison can be easily done by seeing the denominator. Denominator is very important term you have to see. So with denominator we have same denominator and different denominator, right? We have same denominator and a different denominator. See, I will tell you. Same denominator means 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 5 by 4. Different denominators 1 by 4, 3 by 8, 5 by 6. For all these numbers, 4 is the denominator which is same. For all these numbers we have different denominators, right? So according to the denominator, if denominators are same, they are said to be like fractions. If the denominators are different, they are said to be unlike fractions. Okay. Why I am differentiating them is like comparison, addition, subtraction, division of like fractions is very easy. For example, first I am considering the like fractions and I am going to explain you all the conditions. See here. First of all, I am going to explain you the comparison. 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 5 by 4. Which of the following is greatest? Since all the denominators are same, we have to see numerators only. Just numerators is enough. Which of the following is highest? 5 by 4. Since 5 is greater than 1 and 3. Understood? Which of the following is smallest? 1, right? We need not consider the denominators in like fractions, but the answer should be written with the denominator. That's important. And next, addition. Coming to the addition, 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. What I have to do? We need not consider this denominator since it is same. We have to only consider the numerator. What is the numerator? 1 plus 3, that is 4, and the denominator is 4. That's very easy, right? 2 by 6 plus 3 by 6. Since the denominators are same, I can write it as 2 plus 3 by 6. So it is 5 by 6. Very easy, right? Similarly, subtractions can also be done. Subtractions. 3 by 6 minus 2 by 6, that is 1 by 6. Very easy, right? Similarly, divisions. 1 by 6 divided by 2 by 6. This is very important conclusion you have to take, that is, whenever I am writing 1 by 6 divided by 2 by 6, that is, it should be written as 1 by 6, 2 by 6, there should be a dash here. Since 6 are equal, it can be written as 1 by 2. You wonder that how I wrote this, isn't it? I'm going to show you this method in steps. 1 by 6 whole by 2 by 6, right? Then this 2 by 6 will be reciprocated, that is 1 by 6 into 6 by 2. Division of fractions should be done like this: 1 by 6 divided by 6 by 2. So here 6 and 6 are cancelled and the remaining is 1 by 2. I think you understood, right? This is how the division of fractions is done. Multiplication of fractions is very easy. We have to multiply both the denominators and numerators. Understood? Next one is unlike fractions. Unlike fractions is very important because we will get these fractions everywhere. We don't find like fractions every time, but we find unlike fractions every time. For example, comparison. 1 by 6, 5 by 4. Which of the following is larger? Whatever may be the operation we are doing, comparison, addition, subtraction, for all these kind of operations, we have to use a tool known as LCM. I have already discussed LCM, so you can watch it from the iCard and the link in description. We have to use the tool LCM, but which numbers LCM should I find? You have to find the LCM of denominators. LCM of denominators. Understood? So I have to find the LCM of denominator. Here the denominators are 6, 4 and LCM is nothing but 12. So what I have to do is I have to make the denominator 12, 1 by 6. I have to make this denominator 12. For making the denominator 12, I have to multiply it into 2. And here also I have to multiply 2. So the fraction will be 2 by 12. And 5 by 4 will be converted into, for making the denominator 12, I have to multiply it into 3 and 5 into 3. It will be 15 by 4. Now our fractions 1 by 6 and 5 by 4 are converted into 2 by 12 and 5 by 15 by 12. Sorry. Now if I want to compare which of them is largest, 15 by 12 is largest corresponding to it. 5 by 4 is the largest of 2. Isn't it easy? Which of them is smallest? 1 by 6 is smallest since its value will be 2 by 12. And how to add them? How to add 1 by 6 and 5 by 4? How to add them? It's very easy. I have already converted them 1 by 6, 5 by 4 to 2 by 12 15 by 12. Understood? These are unlike fractions, this is like fractions. So whenever you see unlike fractions, these unlike fractions should be converted into like fractions for subtractions, additions, and also the comparison of fractions. So now if I want to add, I can easily add 2 plus 15 whole by 12, that is 17 by 12 is the answer. If I want to subtract it, 15 minus 2 by 12, that is 13 by 12 will be the subtraction. That's very easy after the conversion of unlike fractions into like fractions. What about the multiplication and division? I'm going to give you the multiplication. 1 by 6 into 5 by 4. Multiplication is very easy. We have to multiply the numerators and we have to multiply the denominators and we have to write the answer. 5 ones are 5 and 6 fours 25. Whether it is like fraction or unlike fraction, multiplication is same. And also the division. Okay, see here, 1 by 6 divided by 5 by 4. What I said, the fraction which is in the denominator should be reciprocated and written as the product, that is 1 by 6 into 5 by 4 reciprocate, that is 4 by 5. Understood? Now this division is converted into multiplication of fractions. That's very easy now. Numerators multiplication 4 and products and denominators multiplied 6 5 30. This is how we have to do the comparison, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of fractions. This is okay. What if we have 3 fractions? How can we add or subtract? For example, I have 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8. I have 3 fractions. How to do that? First of all, what I have to do is I have to find the sum of it. Okay, so I am writing here 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8. I have to find the LCM of numerators. Whatever it is for the fractions, I have to find the LCM of denominators. What is the LCM of denominators? It's clear, that is 8, right? Now I have to write the denominator as 8. See the process carefully. This is the way we have to do. Now 2 into 4 will be 8, right? 2 into 4 will be 8. That 4 should be multiplied with the numerator. That is, I have to write it as 1 into 4. I am doing the same procedure which I have did earlier, but in a shortcut manner. This represents that I am converting this 1 by 2 into 4 by 8. Understood? Into 4 and into 4. That's what I am doing, but I am doing it in this way. The 8 is common and I am just making the numerator. Understood? 4 into 2 will be 8. So that 2 will be divided here. Sorry, multiplied here. There. So 1 into 2. Nice, right? And next, 8 into 1 will be 8. So 1 into 1. So it will be 1 into 1. Which will be 4 plus 2 plus 1 by 8. That is 7 by 8. In this way, we have to find the sum of 2 or more fractions. I think you got the basics of fractions.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. So please like, share, comment and subscribe. If you guys didn't like this video, please let me know through comments. Thank you.